Here we are in this neat hotel. Look at that. I like that. But they could have put a glass elevator in this atrium. But instead they put a regular one in. Womp womp. Also, I'm kind of curious. The stairs, it just has windows? Yeah, it does. Look. You can go into the stairway and just look out into the atrium from here. That's kind of neat. There's the service car. Looks like you need a key to call it though. That's a card reader right there. Anyway, let's go ahead and film the main elevator. It is also a Schindler 3300. I like that little braille down there. I didn't notice that. Pretty basic. This one is from 2015. All right, let's go up to 7.
Piso 7.
Where is this? Ooh, let's get a view. There's the pool. Oh, I was gonna say, there's no pool chairs. And here is beautiful Barcelona. This is actually such a cool city. And it's beautiful too. It's so pretty here. But anyway. And there's just a random shower right out in the open. Oh, I guess the other elevator doesn't come up here. Roll back.
Piso menos 2.
Piso menos dos. Why did it say that funny? Also, I don't know why, but my phone has like a hard time focusing on these kinds of indicators. And also these ones, they like, the dots get all faded over time. They get dim. And they have like uneven brightness and it doesn't look very good. Especially for an elevator that's not even 10 years old. Yeah, my phone does not want to focus on this indicator. And the arrow's like way brighter. Probably because it comes on a lot less. Yes! This is the elevator.